Hello friends! Do you know what day it is today? Let's figure it out together. Can you look on the board and find the last shape that we drew in our pattern? The last shape that we drew in our pattern is the shape we drew yesterday, and once we know what yesterday was, then we can find out what today is. Can you find it? Did you guess blue rhombus or did you say blue diamond? That's that special shape that has two names. You can call it a diamond or a rhombus. So that was yesterday. Yesterday was Tuesday, February 16th, 2021. So if this was yesterday, we're going to go one square over for today. We always go left to right. So this is the square for today, and we are going to draw our pattern, our shape for our pattern in there. What shape do you think comes next in our pattern? What do you think? Yesterday was a blue rhombus. What do you think today will be? I hear some great guesses. Let's go back to the beginning of our pattern and we will say it together and see if we are correct. Are you ready? Red heart, blue rhombus, 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 red heart. Did you guess red heart? Good guessing. Let's put our red heart into our square on our calendar. If you have a calendar at home, you can color in your heart on there, or you can practice on a piece of paper, or you can just do it in the air with your finger. That's a good way to practice as well. So we're going to start right about here, and we're going to go up in a curve, and then we're going to come down on an angle to the bottom, and go up again and around and connect them. And then we can color them in. And you can draw a heart. If you would like to do a different pattern, you can do a different pattern. Some people like to just X out their days on the calendar to keep track, and some people can keep track in their head, and that's pretty good too. So today is Wednesday, and it is the longest name for our day that we have for all of the days of the week. Do you see that? It has so many more letters compared to the rest. How many days are there? Do you see? How many different days do we have? Let's count together and see if we're correct. I love it when you say it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. So today is Wednesday, and how many letters does it have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's a really big word. And it starts with a W, and we put a capital W because it's the name of the day. And W says w, 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 like watermelon or waffles. Delicious. So we have Wednesday, capital W, E, D, N, E, S, D, A-Y. Good job. That is a big one to remember. Let's put it into our sentence. And our sentence begins with today is, and today has a capital T because it's the first word in our sentence, and we always capitalize the first word in our sentence. So today is Wednesday, and we're going to put a capital W because it's the name of the day. W, E, D, N, E, S, D, A-Y, and then a comma before our next word, and our next word is going to be the month. Do you remember how many months there are in a year? Let's count them and see if our guess is correct. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good job. Now let's see if we can remember what all of their names are. Let's say them together. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. And do you remember what the month is? It's the second one, right? First there was January, and now we're in February. And we always put the name of the month at the top of the calendar. And February starts with the letter F. F, like furry or fuzzy. Capital F, because it's the name of the month. F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y. February. February. And we can put that into our sentence. Today is Wednesday, comma, and then February, capital F, E, B, R, U, A, R, Y. Next, we want to put in the number. What do you think our number for today is going to be? If yesterday was 16, what do you think today will be? What comes after 16? Let's see if our guesses are correct. Let's go back to the beginning and count together. It's okay if you don't know it all yet. We'll practice together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Good job. And you can practice on your paper or you can practice in the air with your finger. Let's start at the top and we're going to make 2 digits. And the first digit is a 1. So start at the top and go straight down. Then we're going to go back up to the top and make a line across to the right. And then we're going to come back down on a diagonal. 17. A 1 and a 7 beside each other makes 17. So before we put that into our sentence, let's count backwards together. Are you ready? It's okay if you don't know, we'll practice together. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Good job. So let's put it in our sentence. Today is Wednesday, February 17th. So a 1 and a 7, comma, and then we're going to put the year. And the year is 2021. So let's put in a 2, 0, 2, 1. And then a period. And that period tells us to stop. So we have nothing else to say after that period. That's the end of the sentence. And the commas remind us to pause for 1 second before the next word. Let's say it all together. Ready? Today is Wednesday, February 17th, 2021. Good job. Thank you for trying that with me. I love it when you try all the things that we're doing. Did you look outside and see what the weather was like today before we started? I had a peek outside and it is doing something fun where I'm living. Is it cloudy where you are? It's cloudy where I am, but it's doing something else besides just being cloudy. What about raining? It's not raining where I am. Is it raining where you are? What about sunny? Is it sunny where you are? Maybe it's sunny and warm, or is it sunny and cold? What about partly cloudy, partly sunny? I don't have any sun out today, but I do have some clouds, but our clouds are doing something fun. They are snowing. So we will put snowing on the board. And will you help me find it on our weather chart? So on our weather chart, we have a sun for sunny, but it's not sunny. Cloudy, well, it is a little bit cloudy, but the clouds are doing something. Are they raining? No, they're snowing. So let's put snowing in our chart, and you can do it in the air or you can do it on your paper. We're going to make one line, starting at the top and striking it down. Good job. And there already was one tally mark in there, so we have 1 plus 1. Do you know what 1 plus 1 is? Let's count. 1, 2. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. Good job. That's great. So here is yesterday. And yesterday I was taking my clothes to the community center for some people to use since I am done with them. So I'm going to check that off because I did that. I'm going to put in today's date. And you can do this on your paper at home, or you can practice with me in the air making all the letters, or you can just say them with me. All of that is really good practicing. So we're going to start with a capital W for Wednesday. W, E, D, N, E, S, D, A, Y. Oh, that was such a big one. And then we're going to put in February, capital F, E, B, R, U, A. Oh, I'm going to run a room. R, Y. I fit it in. So now we're just going to come down and go on this line. February 17th, so a 1 and a 7 and then a comma. 2021, 2, 0, 2, 1. And now I'm going to practice all my numbers up to 17 because I want to practice the numbers every day so I get really good at them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm out of room, so I'm going to come down and go back to the beginning. 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh, wow, that was a lot to practice. So let's get a blue for my cloud, and I've got snowflakes falling down today instead of rain coming out of the clouds. And today I am going to read a book. And not only am I going to read it to myself, but I'm going to read it to a friend because it's really nice to read to people. I bet you like having books read to you, and the person that reads to you might also like having books read to them. Even if you don't know all the words, you can still read it to them by looking at the pictures and telling them what's happening on each page. Or if it's a favorite book of yours, you might just have all the words memorized and you can probably just recite the whole book to them. Give it a try. It's lots of fun. So I'm going to just draw myself a little book. And I have a favorite book, and it's ABCs. Do you have an ABC book? So I'm just going to write ABCs on the cover. It's got lots of good rhymes, and we're going to have lots of fun reading that. So I'm going to read that to my friend. So that's what I need on my agenda today, and it's also my thing that I'm doing that's going to be very kind. I'm going to practice printing my name, CELYNNE. And you want to practice printing your name every day too, so that you get really, really good at it. And if you don't know how to print all of your letters to make all the words yet, you can practice just by starting out with a letter. And right now we're practicing the letter R. So you can do it with me on your paper, or you can do it up in the air. You start up at the top and you strike a line down. Then you go back up to the top and make one bump halfway down. And then from that, where you ended your bump, you do a line down to the bottom. Are you ready? Let's start at the top and we'll do a line down. Then I'll go back up to the top and do a bump and then come down. Let's do that one more time. Back up to the top and strike it down. Then do a round bump and then come down to the bottom. So that is an uppercase R and this is a lowercase r. So we're going to go half the height of the R, the capital R, and then we're going to strike it down. And then we're going to come almost all the way to the top and make an arch out. Let's do that one more time. Go straight down and then an arch out. So we've got our uppercase R and our lowercase r. And if you practice your letters every day, just one letter every day, after 26 days, you will know all the letters and then you'll be able to print words. So yesterday I was pretty happy. And let's see what other emotions we have. So we have angry, disgruntled, miserable, grouchy. There's lots of words that we can use to describe that face. Are you feeling like that today? It's okay if you are. It's okay to have all of these emotions. What about excited, thrilled, super happy? Are you excited today? No, not quite. What about sad? Are you sad? Maybe you lost something, or you missed somebody, or maybe you scraped your knee. There's lots of reasons to feel sad, and that's okay to feel sad too. What about nervous? Are you nervous today? Anxious? Shy? Maybe you're ashamed because you did something that wasn't very good and you feel bad and you need to say sorry. That happens sometimes too. Or are you just happy? Are you just feeling okay today? Nothing's wrong, nothing's exciting, you're just in a good mood? I think I am nervous today. And I am nervous because I'm going to read my book to my friend, and I haven't read my book to this friend before. So I'm a little bit shy to read my books to other people, but it's really good practice if I do try to do it. And the more I do it, the better I'll feel about it, and then I won't feel nervous anymore. So I hope you find something kind to do today. Maybe try reading a book to somebody, and if not, try to do something else that's really kind. I hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.